Crack 4 eggs into a large mixing bowl. Add 140 grams of sugar to the eggs. Don't forget a pinch of salt. It enhances the flavor, even in desserts. Beat the mixture with a mixer until light and fluffy. This will take 4 to 5 minutes. Don't rush. This is the foundation of your cake's texture. Now let's prepare the dry ingredients. Sift 130 grams of flour. This step is important. Sifting removes lumps and adds air. Add 8 grams of baking powder and sift it together with the flour into the egg mixture. Gently mix everything until combined. Don't overmix or the batter could lose its fluffiness. In a separate bowl, place 40 grams of cocoa powder. Use high-quality cocoa. It'll taste like real chocolate, not just chocolatish. Add 80 grams of warm milk, about 40 degrees cc8. Not too hot or it might curdle. Pour in 100 grams of vegetable oil. It's best to use a neutral one so it doesn't affect the flavor. Stir until smooth. You'll get a thick chocolate paste. Try not to sneak a spoonful no matter how tempting. Add this chocolate mixture to the main batter and mix thoroughly. Prepare two 18cm, 7-inch baking pans. Line the bottoms with parchment. Trust me, it makes life easier. Preheat the oven to 175 to 180 degrees cc8, 347 to 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure your oven is properly heated. Some ovens have a mind of their own. Evenly divide the batter between the pans and place them in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Don't open the oven door during the first 20 minutes. The sponge might collapse from heartbreak. Check for doneness with a toothpick. If it comes out dry, it's ready. By the way, leave a comment. What's your favorite cake filling? Custard, whipped cream, or something nostalgic from childhood? And if you're already imagining the taste of the chocolate batter, go ahead and hit that like button. I feel you. Now let's start working on the cream. Pour 400 grams of milk into a saucepan. Add 130 grams of sugar and mix everything vigorously. Crack 3 eggs, separating the yolks from the whites. We only need the yolks. You can save the whites for meringue or an omelette. Oops, we almost forgot something. Oh right, 35 grams of cornstarch. Without it, The cream would be way too relaxed. Mix until smooth and place the saucepan over medium heat. Cook until thickened, stirring constantly to prevent burning. Remove from heat. Cover with plastic wrap directly touching the surface and let it cool in the fridge completely. Now let's make the second part of the cream. Chop 80 grams of dark chocolate and pour the hot cream over it. Heat 250 grams of heavy cream, at least 30% fat. Don't bring it to a boil, just heat it until hot. Let it sit for a minute, then stir until smooth. This will be our ganache base. Cool both cream components completely. Yes, you'll have to wait, but it's better than watching a melted cake slide apart. Don't forget the soaking syrup. In a saucepan, pour 120 to 150 grams of water, add 25 grams of sugar and a tablespoon of instant coffee. Bring to a boil and then let it cool. Feel free to make a double batch. If not for the cake, then at least for yourself. Once the sponges are completely cool, slice them into layers. Mine didn't come up perfectly straight, but I'm sure yours will be better. Don't throw away the dome tops. We'll turn them into cake crumbs. Assemble the cake. Sponge, syrup, cream, and repeat. Just like you saw in the video. Off camera, we finished assembling the cake and placed it in the fridge for at least an hour. It deserves a break, just like you do. After an hour, take out the cake. Time for the glaze. Heat 80 grams of heavy cream and pour it over 80 grams of dark chocolate. Stir until smooth. You'll get a glossy glaze. Carefully spread it over the top of the cake. Yes, our glaze ran a little to the left. Maybe it thought it was modern art. Smooth the top and place the cake back in the fridge for 20 to 25 minutes to set. Now it's time to decorate. Coat the sides and top with the cake crumbs. On top, I sprinkled some white chocolate as decoration. Look at this beauty. Almost too pretty to eat. Almost. Thanks for watching to the end. If you found the recipe helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. It's cozy, tasty, and homemade here. See you in the next video.